Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kesharwani. Today I will discuss the chemical properties of group 15 elements. In the previous video we discussed the physical properties of group 15 elements. Now we discuss about the chemical properties. Now first chemical property is number 1, reactivity. As you know, in group 15 elements, following elements are present: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Right? Now, the reactivity of these elements. Nitrogen is not reactive elements. Why? Because nitrogen is not support the combustion, and also it have triple bonds, means nitrogen is inert, that is non-reactive, and also not support combustion. As you know, nitrogen have triple bond and they have bond enthalpy 951 kilojoule per mole. Means 1 मोल नाइट्रोजन के बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करने के लिए हमें 941 किलोजूल पर मोल अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, and that's why this nitrogen is very stable and they have non-reactive, that is inert. Now in case of phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth are reactive because they form single bond in their molecule as P4, AS4, SB4, right? So this is all about the reactivity of the group 15 elements. Now the reaction with the hydrogen. Second chemical property is the reaction with hydrogen. This is represented by M. When these metals are react with hydrogen, then form the hydride as formula MH3 as NH3, PS3, ASS3, SBS3 and BIS3. So this is called ammonia. This is called phosphine. Arsine, SBS3, that is stibine, BIS3, that is bismuthine. So these are the hydrides of these elements, right? Now we discuss the properties of these hydrides. Number 1, that is the basic nature. Basic nature. Actually, ammonia is much basic as compared to the phosphine. Ammonia is more basic as compared to phosphine. But AsS3, SbH3 and BiS3 not have basic character. Actually, ammonia is so basic because ammonia lose 2 electrons more easy as compared to the phosphorus, as compared to the phosphine, and this is not lost that electron. That's why they are not have basic character. Right? Now discuss the bond angle. Bond angle and stability. As you know, NH3 have bond angle 107 degree. PS3 have bond angle 93.5 degree. AsH3 have bond angle 91.8 degree. SbH3 have bond angle 91.35 degree, and BiH3 have bond angle 91 degree. When we move from top to bottom of hydrides, then the bond angle decreases. Why? Reason. Nitrogen have very small size, so concentrate its electron density in a small region, and repulsion of lone pair bond pair is higher. That's why the ammonia have a higher bond angle as compared to the others. ये डायग्राम से इस चीज को समझते हैं. Nitrogen, hydrogen, 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 and this is bond lone. Actually, nitrogen have a small size. That's why they are concentrate its electron density in a small region. That's why the repulsion of hydro bond pair and lone pair is higher as compared to more repulsion takes place, and they form the bond angle higher as compared to the other. Means stability and H non-metal NH means HMH bond angle is decreases with increase in molecular weight. Increase in molecular weight मीन जैसे जैसे मॉलिक्यूलर वेट इंक्रीज कर रहा है वैसे वैसे इनका बॉन्ड एंगल कम होता जा रहा है. So this is all about the bond angle and stability of the hydrides. Now shape of hydrides. As you know, the central atom is sp3 hybridized. But not tetrahedral structure. Due to presence of lone pair and have structure pyramidal, right? Now the next property of hydrides is the reducing power. Reducing power of hydride. As you know, when we move from top to bottom, then the stability of hydrides decreases due to increase in molecular weight of hydrides, right? Means NH3, PH3, ASH3, SbS3, BiH3. Stability decreases means they are easily stability decreases. So they are easily lose the hydrogen. That's why the reducing power increases. Reducing power increases. Right? Now the fourth property of hydrides is boiling point. Now boiling point of hydrides is NH3, PH3, ASH3, SbH3 and BiH3. Actually, boiling point of these hydrides are not follow simple order. Why? Actually, bismuthine and stibine both have higher molecular weight. That's why they have higher boiling point as compared to the other hydrides. In bismuthine and BiH3 have higher boiling point as compared to the SbH3, then the order should be ASH3, PH3, then NH3. But this is not happening. The correct order is BiH3 higher as compared to the BiH3 boiling point is higher as compared to the SbH3, then ammonia, then ASH3 and then phosphine. Why this order happened? Actually, due to high molecular weight, bismuthine and stibine have higher boiling point. Why the ammonia come in between these hydrides? Because the ammonia have hydrogen bond. That's why they have higher boiling point as compared to the ASH3 and then PS3. And the value of boiling point of bismuthine is 290 Kelvin. 290 Kelvin. And SbH3 is nearly 254 Kelvin. And ammonia have 238 Kelvin. And this have 210 Kelvin. And phosphine have 185 0.5 Kelvin. So this is the order of boiling point. Reason क्या है? What is the reason why BIS3 and SBS3 have higher boiling point? Due to higher molecular weight. Why NS3? NS3 form hydrogen bond. That's why they have higher boiling point. Now the next property of hydrides is the solubility in water. Ammonia is soluble in water but not other hydrides because NH3 form hydrogen bond with H2O molecule. H2O molecules. So this is all about the properties of hydrides of group 15 elements. Now the next reactivity towards the oxygen. Third, chemical properties reactivity towards oxygen. When these elements react with oxygen, then it forms two types of oxide. Number one, E2O3, and second is the E2O5. Example like as N2O3, example N2O5. Here nitrogen is present in higher oxidation state, and here nitrogen is present in lower oxidation state as compared to this. Means those oxide which is present in higher oxidation state have acidic nature. Elements present in higher oxidation state are more acidic. So which one is more acidic? N2O5 is more acidic as compared to the N2O3. The acidic character decreases when we move from top to bottom. Acidic character decreases when we move from top to bottom. As N2O5, P4O10, AS4O10, SB4O10, Bi4O10. This is more acidic character. These are basically acidic, but these are amphoteric, and these have basic in nature. So this is the reactivity towards the oxygen. Now the reactivity towards the hydrogen. Now reactivity towards the hydrogen. When elements of group 15 react with hydrogen, then it forms two types of halides. Number one EX3, number two EX5. As example, PCl3 and PCl5. As in case of nitrogen, NCl3, but NCl5 is not formed because nitrogen not have d orbital. So only in case of fluorine, only NF3 is stable, not the others, because nitrogen not have. अभी मैं आपको दिखा दूं नाइट्रोजन दैट इज सेम 1s2 2s2 2p3, fluorine that is 9 1s2 2s2 2p5. So they are partially overlapped each other by pi overlapping. That's why NF3 is more stable as compared to the other. Only NF3 is stable in case of fluorine. Right? Now the reactivity towards the metal. Reactivity towards metal. These elements react with metal as -3 oxidation state. As example, Ca3N, calcium nitride, Ca3P, calcium phosphide, Na3S, that is sodium arsenide, calcium nitride, calcium phosphide, sodium arsenide, Zn3Sb2, that is zinc antimonide, and in case of bismuth, that is Mg3Bi2, that is magnesium bismuthide. So these are the chemical properties of group 15 elements. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.